million.
We use get use?
Yes, I get use.
Well, family, good evening and welcome to the program We Use, the program where they inform about things where they happen all outside the country. Well, like all time, we are also outside this country will be part of the program and all the way for the one.
And for watch the program, the number where you see at the bottom of the screen when 031-812174. Send text or WhatsApp message, we will read them inside the program.
Well, it will be your voice.
My voice.
Well, inside the program, the family, we used to take a look at the coffee wala where the happen now Kent. Well, we be make round on social media that coffee we wanna be the see the pass fast. Well, Tiffman don't run out of luck. Well, for sake of this, a good thief na King Tom police garage. Well, you can imagine. Same so another Tiffman, same so well they don't catch her now because in say people will not forget light as you go and thief. EDSA copper cable. This time around na Kosoton. Well, as Yuan Sin don't pull come out himself from the SLFA presidential race. Well, waiting the ordinary Sierra Leone people then think about this. You will read this inside the program. FBC Student Union election wala. Well, we used to take a look. Well, we go bring you the latest build-up or updates so far from the outcome. Community watch the team go work now with the first community. This and plenty more plus you text message students within the program with me, William Wise N.
Nando Atoronka my name.
Why don't we take a break and sponsor where we can continue the rest of the program we use.
Your bank along with you everywhere you go. No need to stress when you don't have cash on you. With Mion FLCB Visa debit card, you're able to access your money, pay for goods and services, shop and send money online via ATM and POS devices in Sierra Leone and worldwide. It is convenient, secure and easy. SLCB, delivering value.
If you think say we don't show you love done, then you don't see nothing yet. This is the season of abundance. We mean say we get boku team them for you for enjoy. You go enjoy free browsing on 4G every Sunday, Tuesday and Thursday from 12 to 12:30 p.m. You go same way to enjoy 150% 4G bonus every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and you go enjoy free 3G data for 7 days when you swap your 3G SIM to 4G. Boku other thing and day for make you enjoy. Now you get all the time for enjoy different and boku thing them non-stop. Get ready for experience all the abundant love where always they bring come to you. Now the love done sweet.
Orange.
Well, now so we start the program as we take a look at the coffee wahala where take place at Kent, where they all about social media right now. Well, Moses say get more.
Yes, now.
Kent community, who say when they get understanding say if you do go on social media we na cops we they go for good bear but you know the grief for go back. But the way you still can work and can't get the views of the people and when they tell you if not true or we're not too true.
Well, you know, Mr. Bassi Fona, you know, deputy man from Kent. Yes, it happened. They kill somebody that will be there. So when they go for go back and they perform.
So what you perform?
Well, when they bring the cops, they have been there to one also at the So these cops come around 10 o'clock in the morning. So these cops, as you reach the side where the woman did, that the pan body, they say they want to come down. So they try the motorcar not be for stand, and they say, okay, they put the cops, and they put them down. When they put them down, I think you get one of the bubble. And I say, well, Mama, you see now, I can't die. And this time we die and I kill them. Now, can't show me beside them. And when they take these cops, they are wrecked. Go shoot it beside the other about 5, go round, and from there, now I go there direct to one of Mr. Dew, the place, then I one guest house, Ubayanda. So now the cops go. Police now, you see crowd. These cops, we go direct now in the mouth. Go hit the mouth. He hit the mouth, and people say, oh, now I didn't kill you. So the cops not good for commodity. So they call policeman and come. They say, hey, this guy needs to do this. So from there, I say, okay, when I can repeat back, but I will see. They repeat back, we come to try for commodity, reverse back them. You go back now, the same remote. The man come out, he go hit and so. Reverse, he go inside. And the policeman then intervene now, they go inside and say, well, what did happen to you? And they go bring the cops back.
Now, Mr. Jigo Jones, when they make that allegation, I took off in Ghana and Osma Kent. See, now in kill Rosa. They were innocent of, and Rosa na me until the law. I know her for a very long time. Me no get no problem on that. They just took coffee, can me and me kill them. At the end of the day, when I can do for can talk to them, na stone, mamikos, where the police, thief them please.
Okay, by all this allegation we don't make against you, this thing don't happen. What you don't do?
I go to the police and make report. Now me call the police then for Canamios. Now me call the police na Tombo call the enforcement from Waterloo, then come for rescue me. No, I don't get no answer, I don't get no idea. Pass and know the particular individual we die. Now me until the woman women me day before we don't scatter. Now in mama in small sister than they. The police then take care of me because of now me report to them. Then the allegation we led against me, then they investigate the police and they investigate the matter. Then based on that they come back now, they can vandalize my place, thief me generator them, thief all me things in my bar, broke the place, the back glass, the front glass, they all them broke they all.
With all this allegation they make against you, any person be there where they go testify now police?
No. Nobody no go testify against me say na me kill or nobody anything but was a mark for you.
So wait now the response of the police because now you there outside with the interview and outside with the community.
Now the only thing where I go beg the police for let the investigation carry on properly and clear all these people and carry on social media against me.
Imagine.
I tell you.
If you saw the body of the Tawana where man kill, if you say they go free, courts not the waste time again.
At all not.
As you go, they say you come out. So anyway, when they push the program go before. And so they be under, well, this thief man will run out of luck. Well, innocent no side for good thief. Ask you side. Now Kinton police garage. And the good thief. Well, he run out of luck. Let me see him.
Yes, that's all I need.
What you can do that, Kinton, young man?
I can't for canteen. I can't work for canteen.
You can't for canteen. Now I'm also can't.
I'm one woman to in a name Alusine.
Alusine waiting.
Alusine today.
So Spanish shall fit to come out. Waiting pull you Charlotte Street for come inside police barrack back for that matter.
Then there's I don't watch TV because I don't work and I'm not get natural can do. As I say, now plan a building, say I can come on and get some more so then it's our we're going to question. From then I will take the bat ski,
you go with the bat ski. How comes you know say that much can they bat you know to fit her?
check, come on, go and check,
So you know, if we say this a barrier, in case they all know the value. Eh? Mohamed, what happened is 2 o'clock morning.
The 2 o'clock morning, I believe don't say Moscow. Now I charge Moscow. We charge Moscow. What open Moscow? No see. So now the door. That's more sleep asleep. What open? I watch where the bats can not see. So now I can do. I go wake one up in the control of the What go wake? I say some. I say one that must come back to me. I say they don't take out. I say sell go up. He said that he said been bounce man. He said people can't judge the battery to me. He said he can't judge me battery. He said what bounce man and I go bunu fence. He said kind of logo. Now we come up now. Kind junction. I should kind of junction now. We are boys and the other now. I said they say we don't get her. Now I said by him. I said that if man and he, I said we will run after soon. I said I don't know. I said that 2 battery. I said that green battery. Don't put all 2. I said I don't take so. I said I don't take so. I said everyone in there. I said I'm go there. I said I jail I don't go soon. I said I jail I don't go soon. Now we go up now. We meet and don't hold on with 1 battery.
From that thief, this na another thief. Then cases if my so with Esther cable na Kosotong. Well, make we join we own undercover reporter as he gets more.
I'm a clear boy and me na one for the community stakeholders like Kosotong, and we get this young man this on Kosotong with the help of the police, and we decide for Biancana police station. We all been waiting to be upon Kosotong a few weeks ago when they terrorized the Esther station who gets na Kosotong, you know, and they cut all the cables, wickedness. Then now they see cables and now they go out and about. So they decide for the police station. And not left from at all, and with the help of the police, I say for the police station. And one of the policemen will because the money the government so much. Government they try invest, they try for win government can do. Government they try make salon fine for we, they try for win government can do. As we don't say don't support this government for succeed. But people in there where they have not clean for this government. People in there when this government fail. But to God, this government not will ever fail. This government going for support this country, people in this country, this government going for make Staloman there please. And for make people in there, they enjoy light will forget that country. People in the world we can do. But I should say within a police station now, the police and try for get statement for me and the police and to manifest. And let we all support government. We all for me watch the community. Thank you so much. And I see the way the police don't play. Jesus don't come here. They make a feel say ST police station. They really work. The way I come, the way they system. In fact, they left all the cases the way they get. Now we then focus on say yes, no. Therefore deal with matter one thing. I want to say thank you so much to the head of the police now, ST, the support the police staff's name. I want to say thank you so much.
Anyway, we continue the program. You see under which I see?
I tell you.
Where then they say lights. Now the issue then we continue to come out from there. I'm going to go to this as you want seen when I be first SLFA president. Well, you know, police have come out ahead of the next Congress when they forget na McKinney. Well, for sake of this spot that's where Abdul Kabir be there before go na treat and talk to ordinary Sierra Leonean then maybe what they say. Because a mixed feeling, because Aisha, no matter what, he gets the good part of him and he gets the bad side. You know, from where Aisha come na power up to date, everybody get the way they class them. But as for me, I would say like I say, na 40-60% if I can. If I put it to percentage, and 40-60% is score, because things and day where it do and things and day where it fails to do. So in the broad spectrum, I will talk.
We'll see, I think I'm glad we don't left because Skade we be the Boku club then now we follow up with her. They say this and that, that's the answer. We don't left now for salon football, I say salon football get for before now. So I'm glad we don't left. This I'm glad for the go watch game safe na stadium now. Skade now they go watch game, gonna be the day.
I'm not going to say that it's a news to me, basically. But like, me I'm glad when he resigned for himself before the following election, they pull him. Because don't see and see, he get for lost the election, so basically I make him resign.
personally, because they may not say they go for disqualify or man for going at this. So many expect it because indoor use for go. And these people then say now all man for contest. Maybe we didn't expect that we will not see them. So what's any surprise? You know, but one people who contest, no people who can for campaigns and for 8 years you able for do nothing. So that kind of people and they will give chance to other people. Who would expect that kind of thing?
We really experienced a difficult time in Sierra Leone football. For the past years, quite good throughout, and nobody really know how to show himself up for Sierra. I take the responsibility, the blame about the downfall of Sierra Leone football. So now, if you then take that kind of step in the good one to them, I mean that show a sign of integrity. And for Lego, being all that kind of service, then they can position in the video right now. A good one because the airport and being showcased Sierra Leone out there to the world that really Salone gets people who love football. Now at the same time, that will bring a peace to the football family because you get huge.
Step to the right direction because you don't do for a long time as SLFA president for Bono to play. If you decide to say if you resign, I will listen and step to the right direction. Now you allow let the Congress flow and let them make a peaceful transition to Congress election.
Well, I believe Sedan is a good move because as one who done in this country for the past 10 years, you understand, they get obstacles from the SLFA board at the same time from the ministry, you understand. Whereby I believe, say, to my opinion, maybe this is a good move, you understand, especially when you look at the sports sector, you understand.
For Mianda, this is now FBC Students Union election. We know the outcomes of the last minutes of this election. Well, we could join you, Sahid Mara.
Hello, Professor Lawrence Kamara. I am the Deputy Vice Chancellor for the University of Sierra Leone. The election is supposed to take place today from 9:30 to 3 o'clock. We don't spend so much time to talk to the aspirants about how they for compare themselves for an election, waiting a day for students. The election and other events and just side issues, side events. After one day, that don't do. But the primary focus should be the student. And that made the parents and not pay them fees enough for that. So for events like that, because it's trivial, we expect them to be compared as students. But we tell them whether they can come a different agenda they get. If for register, for pay fees, but who when the parents and give them fees, for car for pay that fees, they go. So they go drink alcohol, so they go buy drugs, rather than they pay them fees. So then they find it difficult for even register at the start of the academic year.
So
and for vote at the student union election, you get to be a student. You get to be verified to be a legitimate and bona fide student. We don't pay fees, we don't register. Because you know you can't vote in a campus in a student union election if you're not a student. So up to now, this point in time, now only 1,500 students about that, they register, they don't pay fees, who they're supposed to vote. Between 9,000, they go to 12,000, they don't pay fees. So while the 1,500 students there, then the amphitheater now, the election is going. So on that day, then they call different people there, as if now this agenda where they get today, not only for camp vote, but for camp vote commission. The one that will become with mixed agenda. Then delay for go down for go vote, rather than the day for call other students that will not register.
Beyond that, we continue the program. We go for community watch after a long time. Well, the community watch expert Nandewa Tsonka and Dominic Tokarena security correspondent don't join together and go work now we are forced by it. Well, what's in the people come out? They love is sit down and listening.
East na Wilberforce Barrick na big community with boku people them. Most of them na Alslaf workman them wey tap with them family them day. According to reports, them gladi for the field, school, hospital, marketplace, church and mosques where them get. But with all that, the water business they monitor them. That can even make them picking them can late for go school. As they go, we meet some Guma Valley workman them. They connect water pipe na the barrick. So we get for talk to the area manager west na Guma Valley water company, Yusuf Anthony Kamara, will tell we the reason for the connection.
For now we reduce wastage and for reduce cost on people because of mango for buy 10-15 rolls of pipe for take water in a house. So this all the company don't take over that cost now. For make sure say with the lay pipe they run right into the barracks and very close to the upper side temperature. So people will easily get access to water and for avoid pipe cutting and all this confusion already. The intention of the project now for make sure say we bring water closer to people and for make sure say they're able to get that supply. For make sure say we not get water, we get contamination. Because when water they inside a pipe they inside water and somebody can cut them, even if you can fix them back, there is tendency to say dirty water don't go into the pipe. So with this new project we they do all this thing about pipe inside water, cutting of pipe, connection will be a thing of the past. For talk to people for make sure say they pay them bills.
We been same way so talk to the head Mammy Queen now Wilberforce Barrick Aisha Kamara we tell we how them fit as compa na the barrick.
Glad it for una support for CDS support. Anyone we put hand for this water business we give them big support. We thank them because this support say una count on this barrick here. We begin to come 6 o'clock na don't go to the Thank you, Lord gets pardon for water business. Who the parents them back, who will go with the truth, will they get paid now this barrick here. So thank God for this support.
Mariama George, na the Mammy Queen, now Wilberforce Barrick Ore, himself get this for say.
We feel happy, we tell Papa government thank you, our TCS thank you, tell all the people thank you, woman and boss thank you. The way the water don't begin kind size, so anybody will get pump, and right standing for them, they begin paying water rates. For waiting, they don't make the next thing go, get a lady to get for go school, so they don't do well for me. CDS, we tell them thank you, we tell President Bio thank you. Fatima Biole, God bless her.
So today we go up this from the back, but the Wilberforce Barrick, Nanandewa Toronka, and Dominic JJ Tucker bring this report. Well, Honorable Rugatu Rosekalu don't boast 4 community them inside constituency, where Dominic JJ Tucker gets more.
The people them wait up na constituency 113. Don't blow Kandong as Honorable Rosekalu don't go pull na do water facility for them. According to the member of parliament, this constituency don't suffer for long term and this na thing where they need. According to Chief Almami Kamara, wait up na Ogu Madina community, the water go help women and helping them. As he say, they don't suffer plenty for make them go get this kind of water facility over the years them. He said this don't make picking them they get belly and same way so drop out on plenty na the school because they not can get water we can make they not able for going to school. Same way to talk say this then go all am with 2 hand for make it go last long. The Honorable Rugatu Rosekalu talk say the challenge them where the community don't they face for making get water don't now. As he say this will make a camp focal address this water problem with them they face. This now waiting the Honorable Member of Parliament for that constituency 113 they get.
Because this is about 4 communities that the major communities where they get water from here. Then you get people enjoying the season when they come out as far as Kabatown for carpet water from here. None of the where they are the scarce one is on the community ownership itself. Because now at the Camp Commission, Nadame can make sure say all the headmen and chiefs from the 4 communities, they're all there for make the commitment. Because when a commissioner made a move, so don't fall in for this strategy as an information.
National Commission for Social Action, NASA, don't start for rights people them name them way not disabled, as they say them will not go take give them some kind of token where them able for take for themselves. Where this money come to the government of Salon, with the World Bank, where they say this now for reduce of suffering for them people them wey not disabled people them. Emmanuel Samura be the parts of this police put together with Daniel Musiri in our studio.
Plenty of them people there na part of the one them way ki normally sit down parts in a freeton, the big people away they pass, and even people who can say motor for the living, and this they only happen dry season. This process here, so then they take the name of them people here so for the EC2 cash transfer. They tell them go to register, they will take the name, the photo, and say so they will give a slip with one barcode where they will get for scan, we will give the exact detail of the person. Then you also don't pass the cash transfer. It don't be say they can make them by group, can target people more than poor people as a group. But the interest of this na them disable them, where then they target, and of course they don't make them general and other citizens them more when a poor people are working in the street.
When this government come, now the president say, then people also, because I think when they go work every day, they see them. Then also, it's in strength behind that again, the former Minister of Finance, when our Chief Minister now, Jacob Jusu Safawe, what people can call JJ. He said he can always see them people also as concerned. So I say, when I go for target them people also separately from the people that are normal people that are poor people then. So now that make again, even with the normal cash transfer, we put the name there.
The cash we they write the name for, na grant, not a loan. After we then go down write the name down, each person entitled to 1,390,000 yuan. The rights where they write people has the name for this cash, they will go for Duam, now other parts them of the country.
One want to be happy. The president want to be happy. So the president they work with World Bank for ensure say people the way them poor in this country. Where some time come, they for provide something for them for look after themselves. So today now the exercise we can do now ya. Do ya behavior.
We go now join with Michael Sebue for know what's happening inside the timber business.
Since we timber business begin at the country, boku young man them don't get outside the rub on. But always the government can say it better for add value to the product than you sell and so raw one. One company we then call Alayemi, we tap Namaboka Airway inside Makeni. Now one company this we decide for add value to the product. When we be talk to Yetonyon Gisten, he say they know they buy the timber way then they export. They use the timber them where the people they want. Now in then they go buy, then come, then transform them to waiting with the CISO today where they call pallets. He say then wire now in more the which man he wants. He say so then decide that for make and want now than for the raw timber go. He said today boku some of them don't benefit from waiting, they don't can't wait. He say this work when they do now for help Sierra Leone and them, although they accept now business they can do, but a lot of them don't the land skills today. Some of them come at this company, they're not ever savvy for use machine, but now most of them don't turn operator. We even meet most of them at the machine them, then they work, and most of them confirm, say the work when they do it diligently, and then believe say even timber don't have tomorrow, they don't get some kind of aid we go for benefit them. Afo Ogbo na the manager inside Makambo community. He says since when they come, the youth man in this Makambo community all on benefit. He say especially the woman them. He say himself so feel happy because the youth them where they around today, because say every week or every month they go take away something and also they don't learn skill.
Get there from them people that will come up from Benin.
And then what you do with them?
They make a bona, I make a charcoal. So this could get me until monthly. From 6 where they can work, they make a outside and go to way, they get there, who can't born. He said now they survive with 2 picking them.
But we always say, when you learn something, you do better yourself and your nation. Timber business is good, but when you cut, make sure say you plant.
To this Sierra Leone University for women them, well, they engage some picking them in a different school then for know how them for take care of them personal hygiene. Well, Joseph Kenne gets more on this.
The Sierra Leone University for Women Slawi don't gather girl picking them way come out from different school them, outside them being get for teach them and learn them about hygiene and self-menstrual cycle. According to the president for the Sierra Leone University for Women Slawi, Linda Rebecca Williams, being get for talk say the association being get for start inside 1976. Outside women them being get for come together and form them. It get for talk say with people that will learn book, the principal and teacher them, where they all come together as them being get for decide for make them give back to the community them as them they don't get the chance and opportunity for go na university. It been get for same way so talk say then decide for engage girl picking them from different school them for make them teach them and learn about hygiene business and self-menstrual cycle. It is same way so go before for talk say this particular association here so association we get partnership them with other association them across the world. We now one big network as it go for call some of them association there so it been get for call the Graduate Women International Association as it talks say the headquarters inside Switzerland. It been self get for go before for talk say the Graduate Women International na then up before and don't they guide them and give them advice them, but how therefore they go before with them good work. They been get for same so talk say this good work where then they do and self where they gather girl picking them from different school them for teach them and train them, but how them for take care of themselves and self maintain themselves as girl picking them. They say they always get support and couple from the America branch and self the Salon branch where they all put hand together for make sure say the work come out 551. Well, for second way use inside Freetown, me na Joseph Kenne.
For Mianda, Salon Livestock, and Waka upline to people them with the main cattle, na Falaba, Bombali, and Koinadugi district for go know how they self will able help for seek the welfare of the livestock there. Well, we Masuma gets more.
This na be one big meeting where they all inside Masufia town, Falaba district, with people and where the men cow, goat, sheep, fowl, and boku other animals them. We come out from Bo, Kenema, Kono, Bombali, Koinadugu, and Falaba district. But all where life not easy for them, where then they men the animals there. The people and say them very gladly because it's like I say they go end up for work, live together and do them business them in peace because of the new organization where they don't get.
This association one not only for cow. Limba Mandi association, Manigo Mandi, Uranko Mandi, all nations they inside this association. We don't see a lot of problem inside the chiefdom between the cattle them with the farmers them. But we tell God thank you for where this association take over, where it starts. Chewusa we don't do so today. We tell God thank you, the kingdom begin minimize. Because everybody not come on a hand, control body. Cow go eat chop now, you know it chop that this is not going to be no more willfully, it chopper.
If you hear for say you support them from last year, we did be in them wire. We know for say them wire then go for bring peace to the country, but to the farmer and the cattle owners. that make we support them 100%. We don't see the benefit of it. What you make, we don't work out there in the Bambali, Tongolele, Onedugu, okay. The Gambia, all we don't work out with them. We don't see what they do for it.
For a very long time now, them people are where the men cow, goats and sheep don't they fetch with farmers them because of land plaba, resettlements, where cow then they go na the farmers them plantation, then they spoil them plantation there, and also then they kill the cow them. Well, the people who attend this meeting been talk say, them believe say not to the farmers then they kill the animals them, but not if man then they kill the cow them and end up for put the blame by the farmers them.
Really like how I don't cancel because like then can meet I don't tell who know the hula. But now we don't know the whole and so we say we don't get idea upon this meeting and what would they cry?
Cow and goats then say they not only form the organization for sake of the people them where the men cow and goats them, but also for the farmers them. He call on all the farmers there and the one where the men cow for say make them always come together and work in peace and always report to authorities whenever they get complaints or then kill the animals then. Well, look this picture. You go see us in a very old-fashioned way for farm, especially now that we don't get machine them where they help for farm. But now for members say not all farmers get the opportunity for get machine now in farm. But where we get the cow then go easily help now the farm them and help the farmers them. Now that make it very much important for make farmers them and then one the way the men cow come together and work for peace so that the country go get boku food.
A short break where we can put the rest of the program we use. Wait a minute for let me send the hook, let we see what I'll get.
I don't send the hook.
But I'm the person we wanna see on the screen in a Dr. Patrick George, in a the board chair Brighter Tomorrow for Africa Foundation. Well, tell family Madu.
Viewers, pleasant good evening to you all and God bless you.
Alright, so you didn't have to talk about this Brighter Tomorrow for Africa Foundation. I think possibly the watch go the wonder now. Who say this thing come out?
Thank you. It all started 2004 and we begin with one woman, Madam Sarah Armstrong, a US citizen in Connecticut just after the war, for assess the situation of deplorable children and vulnerable children with the water effect and swimming travel to Bantamokele, children of the nations to be precise. We see a good number of children in school they not get feeding program. In beginning in that part of the country they were very malnourished. So in 2004, Sarah started with a therapeutic feeding program whereby malnourished children were being provided for them to gain nutrition and then gain weight. At the same time, we begin to feed over 1,000 children at school through feeding program. And from that period to 2015, Brighter Tomorrow for Africa don't they sponsor Boko organization them. Freedom Players Charlie Africa, Children Learning Services, Market Women Association and Children of the Nations. And from 2015 to now, BTA done the fund, continue for fund CUTN, Bear National Kenema, Godly Seed and Destiny Connection at Kosotong.
Okay.
Yeah, and so we do feeding program basically in schools there now.
You talk about one survey very important with the malnutrition area we plenty people them they die off. Yes. So talk to me on an intervention in that area.
Well, we don't shift a little bit from therapeutic to school feeding program.
Okay.
When BTA started 2004, we be focused on therapeutic. A lot of children were malnourished after the war. It's only for it. And so they lost weight and some died after as a result of malnutrition. But we intervened. We spent a lot of money on therapeutic feeding program in the south, basically Moyamba district. But from 2015, we shift now to school feeding program. So we are now actually feeding children at school.
Okay, so what's not the impact where this thing don't do on salon picking them since 2007?
A lot. Picking them maybe the go school now the south, Bantamokele after the war. But with food being assured, milk in the morning, hot milk in the morning, and a piece of bread in the morning,
okay,
and a plate of rice in the afternoon. lunch. They encourage beginning for can school. One of the impacts of the feeding program is getting the children from home to school. Those who don't want to come to school, they are forced to come. Same with the program in Freetown and Benash and Kenema. Beginning no one for go school and able for school because they are assured of a full meal every day, every school day.
Dr. George, you know this, what's in the BTA the try for gets at the end of the day?
We just want to make sure say every child is placed through. One Chinese philosopher give one proverb. We say if you want to plan for a season, plant a rice. If you want to plan for a year, plant a tea. And if you want to plan for the future, send a child to school. That is because of BTA. We want to see every child being placed at school. And one of our own strategy now provide food for those organizations to the fund.
Well, I think say that's able for address the problem picking up able for goes to school.
And on the yield some dividend over the past years, a lot of dividends.
Alright, we come back to you shortly because we get other person who want to talk to now the program. The person we just don't talk in Dr. Patrick George and the board chair for Brighter Tomorrow for Africa Foundation. They talk about some development project them where they don't do where they think say they go help picking them for go school as well no say this now they retain the government of the day. They push on free quality education, right?
Exactly.
Alright, so we return the second hook. Let me see what to catch this Steve na Guangua or na.
No, this is a big one back again.
Alright. Well, family person wanna see na Juliet Soiree in na Blanca. Well, you know tap the yourself na gospel artist. I think they will bless because they can sing for it. Say for them,
good evening.
Alright, so you know person we don't inside this entertainment world where you know there's any different for bless the life of people. You know, so talk to me about first before campaign is launching. How did you live this life?
Well, I thank God for the grace of God and the make a little life. Just like I say, I'm a banker, work on an Eco Bank, and then I also am a gospel musician. It's not easy. Gotta put them together. Banking work on a very accessible, but like I said, the grace of God will keep me, and I'm doing well by the grace of God.
You are not saying we can do money if you sing. Not you?
Yes, that's I sing.
Alright, so talking about your upcoming album launching.
Well, this is the third album I'm going to do gospel from Lome. I make a tell Smile, I do just Mr. J from Wasmo. So now we do that song, we say, oh yeah, Jesus so nice. This is my third album, what I do. And I do them on Saturday, the 5th. Now new Fantastic Song. Now my third album titled Carry Me Higher.
You have to give you some gist for slow the dance to the new gospel song.
Yeah. In the album we get one song with you all about from last year. You know me God. Papa now you don't fix me up like this, so Papa now you don't give me a new name. If not so for you, what's up for don't care me go. But you know left me so. Oh, you know me God.
Alright, this one
shake me.
Holy Spirit don't cancel. Very interesting one. Plenty time people they do this. If it's a video or not
just this one I sing so just now the video they out for last year, yes. And then this one they coming in by the release on Saturday and they come out with a video as well.
But there's a problem, plenty people in Nandewa, you said we agree. If you like, plenty people who watch then Nigerian gospel then, you know, people they fall in love for them than the left wing see the gospel.
Yes.
You know that way, you don't sit down and think say
the way forward to the point.
Yes, well me in particular I don't try for go and see how the Nigerians do them. So let me take them consistent 9 population. So I go Nigeria for doing albums in Nigeria. I do my album always. So I don't say you bless lives because you get good songs, you get good jam inside.
So you believe say if anybody will listen life could be blessed?
Definitely.
So you say now when the launch it?
The 5th Saturday. Na new Freetown City Council Hall.
But when COVID and everything, people don't go for wearing mask for.
Definitely, all protocols for COVID.
You say go for wearing mask for anyway, with that kind of voice there, we all answer the mask. Well, anyway, in a Juliet Soiree, like I say, in a banker and in a tap in a gospel artist. Well, we turn the microphone to people that we don't send them text message at the program. Joe and we are set and they were.
see a smile?
Harry Potter. Anyway.
These are some of the texts, WhatsApp and Facebook messages on the program so far. When I will start with this first one. Good evening, where you stay? That man the way died. When that man in the night saying to him kill the woman. Why did dead body not for enter in place? This is AVO man get power. This is what I say. This is man get mind though. Right now the police barrack. Now they go thief. This in time the English to come from side of this on a hill station. This is say this light business and city no funny where the light they can't live will take 2 to 3 days before they send light back. The only time when lights will come and the time when the president within a bottom come from concerned citizen. This other answer say this cable thief boku, they don't boku now this man is for one jail. This other answer say when you a good evening, Bond Street na dangerous street and they don't say when them bad boys then they by this street here. So with the big government make them send security officer them for the patrol and net. Not to lie at all when a woman they talk. Do you with the big it come from Khadija. This is say I hope the government through the Ministry of Transport and Aviation will try by all means for by government boss them for the people in our salon, especially Freetown, because the way and manner how the eastern people they suffer for transport easy now call for concern come from boss Elena Dwazak. The last one for 9 say how this still business don't boku now the country. May God help Mama Salu. They come off from Malakai Favor Kamara. But I will stop here for now. I spent message to the Kamsai program.
Okay, thank you for that. Well, we get one Langamina Tits Naya. We start with this before country. This now from the American Embassy in Salon. We don't outsource the Africa Auctioneering and Estate Agency. We're waiting for Andrew and Syntech and different things whatever for do. Well, and say this will happen by phase. This is the first phase. Well, they say this will happen. Na the office na the West, the United Methodist University. Also inside the then therefore sell different things. Then we for auction, IT stuff, electrical appliance. Then all this will happen na Kinghama Road. Well, na the United Methodist University campus Kinghama Road. Well, phase 2 they say then therefore auction vehicle. Then we inside they get Elox Prado and other one. Then when this will happen Monday June 14. Well, na the same place where na the United Methodist University in Kinghama Road. Well, the last term we na the phase 3. Well, they say na heavy truck then, which I guess scrap metal them and different things them where they go for auction. Well, same also it will happen June 21st. Well, this will be na Moriton Barracks. Well, then get one strong important message you have for know. They say inspection will start 8:30. Well, from 8:30 to 10 o'clock, inspection will be done. Well, then we're ready now for can do the proper business. We will start 10:30. It will last 4 o'clock. Remember, say the one in where they give you. Therefore, buy as you see them. Well, make sure when you buy them, you know for return them. Well, they say you will pay 50% for waiting all. You pay all. But remember, say when you go in, make sure you do all COVID-19 prevention for make COVID-19 not go scatter past like this. So.
Okay, this other one picking us in name na Nefertiti Amba Tenesi say it number 2 Houghton Street na Salon picking na school picking also na Christian 18 years. Then it get brown hair, brown, it get big nose, it get small, it is normal, it get body now 4 feet 5 inches tall. Instead of picking black, then it get long hair. It say do ya this picking so they na limba they talk real. Do ya if you see them the last time we come out na house na process and brown top it be well. And you see them like papa in place na Ambu Street on Monday 31st May 2020. Say do ya around 7 o'clock even 10. And say papa in name na Ibrahim Sise where na Ambu Street. In mama na Aminata Kamara na 10 beton a day. Say do you have to see and make a call on 078-233003 or 076-437065. They say something they good, they wait for you. This other one now want somebody will lost in passport with all the documents away for travel with. He say he left them inside Keke on the 31st of May. This year so he said do you have a church if they go and lost the documents there so he said inside there the documents in the name where they in a cardiac and call he said do you have if you fail and make it call on 078-803-803 844-25225 or 076-614-686. He said, do you see I make it bring a kind of SBC? Something they good, they wait for you.
Well, the last one is the one bag where Mr. and Mrs. Gilbert Pasco, well, they can left this bag. Well, if it is this bag in a year, well, now for come tomorrow and can identify what's in the inside.
Okay, this now one back slip when selling commercial bank. The person we get them, my name na Mutar Koroma. They get them, come identify them. Well, we'll continue with the rest of the program. Well, right now we go over to Health Corner.
My name is Jennifer Smiler. Let's see when the man at hospital, then go do scan, then do test, then say na cancer. But the money now we don't call not get the money, so I ask for help. For me, they help me. For God and Nabi, anybody.
So how long will you for this sick here?
Now inside this 2021 year, this sick year begin by me. But we don't go corner, cottage, they're not only the main fact. So I go life care now, I go do scan, do everything, and I then tell me the main problem. So I then go tell me it's cancer.
So how much they say that money?
They say 8 million for do the operation. But people and they talk say different, we don't understand. But then say then they do. And so then tell me they say 8 million. Now what allow me there. Now 088-622-454. The number and
the church na salon don't end the national delegate conference. Well, this be happen na the church headquarter. To take kwashe the day and send this for me.
National Pentecostal Mission, oh yeah!
2 moments now we mission, National Pentecostal, where all man know as the church. Me and ordained minister, we come into ministry in 2005. And in 2009, they ordained me. And we have been the first set of women. Out of hard work, I become the first head of evangelism, secretary to conference, and today I done successfully be superintendent.
I felt very good and highly elated, because I think this is my first time in applying for this restaurant. The first one, I was ruled out because I was not qualified. So this is the second time again, and I'm happy that when I went for it again, I succeeded. I appreciate very much.
Alright, Dr. George, tell me now in favor. Yes, please. What think now the plans them we wanna get for the picking them?
Okay, one for sure, all the development partners there right now. See funding for the next quarter within June will continue until available.
Okay.
So we will continue for funding 5 programs then every quarter. But this week, when tomorrow precisely, Sarah, the founder, don't give a lot to Sierra Leone. We want as an organization now forgive Sarah. Sarah birthday tomorrow. Tomorrow will be 60 years, and we want for using day as a Founders Day for BTA Sierra Leone. And so we make a series of activities then with all the organizations they will sponsor. Godly Seed, Hastings, Destiny Connection, Kosotown, Berash, Kenema, Share of the Nations in the South. They come together for planned series of programs, making birthday cards, doing songs, and doing thank you notes to Sarah. For honor Sarah and for telling thank you for what she has done for Sierra Leone. And so that program they start tomorrow.
So the sustainability aspects continue?
Of course, we continue for fund the programs there.
Alright, Fambul in Dr. Patrick George, board chair, Brighter Tomorrow for Africa Foundation with the talk on the project. So when we come to Juliet, so talk to help person for good now, just the work I go see on Saful.
The program they pay 100,000 because na VIP program 100,000.
Nobody talk about money because if you don't have a commercial, just know if they pay or not they pay.
They pay, sir.
Okay, they pay for good.
Yes, sir.
So when you go there, you get the right you want.
Of course.
The blessing of God.
You go enjoy the good music.
Now
you don't pay for the blessings of God. You can enjoy the music.
Okay, so now everybody for go?
Everybody, yourself.
So that place they will able for take over 2,000 people.
No.
Alright, okay, because we'll do Nkayu Stadium. Well, Fambul in Juliet Soiree, banker and gospel artist, one for Bless You at when?
On the 5th of June, Saturday.
June 5th. Well, we all go daily for get the blessing of God. Well, they on the microphone, so Joey and Dumbuya, quick one.
At first, they say no mix. Now it all mix.
Don't cancel the soup now.
I will continue with this one. Why always first for common whenever election reach a salon? This is say me and team members then they advise students of Fabi College for be responsible and avoid first. They come out from Hanson's, Bango and Asmana town. This is say keep it up from concerned citizen.
Alright, this one say that extra man. He say that for jail and not to free on jail then for go to BM
Kabbalah.
Kubola, anyway, well, Fambul Naya will put the program to the end. Well, plenty thank you to everybody we join on the program, to the studio guests, Dr. Patrick George and Juliet Soiree, where a gospel artist when they can join the program, to everybody. Text message, text us them. Well, Fambul, the producer like Alton, now Revolution Ganda Waking team up with Daniel Mosi for make una see with him at the Shiso. We will bring the program in name with them wise.
Nande watu wankana mi name.
Remember say COVID-19 still around. Stay safe. Good night.